Hi nail lovers, welcome back to iloprezzonnailz. Today's tutorial is going to be how we prep and ship our press-on nails. So let's get started. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to like, press that button, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you don't get the latest. So then I won't be able to show you exactly how I do, so we can become queens of press-on nails, okay? All right, let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to package and ship our press-on nails. So what I have for you is, these are padded envelopes, okay? And these are 6 inches by 10 inches. So we get these in Amazon, right? So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to put our press-on nails, our beautiful press-on nails that we created, right? Of course, because we're queen of press-on nails. And we're gonna package these for our customers. So let's say we get an order. So pretty much this is how we roll. Padded press-ons, we put in here, right? But before you do that, I'm not sure where you're shipping from. If you're Etsy, usually I send free shipping. So for my customers, free shipping. So I don't have to weigh none of this. It's pretty much just print out the label that Etsy gives me, and I put it on the front, and I just seal it, and I'm ready to go once I put in everything that I need to put into this padded envelope. So I'm not sure Shopify, I believe they have to weigh, or even Etsy too, if you have to, I'm not sure, because I always put free shipping. But usually, technically, if you have to pay for shipping, this is the scale you want to buy. Okay, it's Accutech, and you get this from Amazon as well. I'm not sure how much it cost me, but it's been a while. I don't even use it, but I have it just in case. So you might want to have one of those. So again, the padded envelopes, your client's beautiful press-on nails, right? We're going to put them in here. And right before we do all of that, right, because this is important, we have what you call their care packets. The care packets. We're going to call these care packets. And in these care packets, you see in here, there's a bunch of goodies, So we're going to put this care packet along with your press-on nails in here, right? And then we'll seal it. If you have to weigh, you weigh it, and your packaging label goes here, correct? Yes, and usually I put like a thank you label here for their service. And let's see, I'm gonna show you how I prep the care packets. So let's get started. The care packets includes these here, which are, these are the reusable hot pinks, 4.7 by 7.8 inches. And these are called Vesmo's reusable packages. So this is hot pink. So I get these, right, in a whole bunch. I order a whole bunch from Amazon. You see, from Amazon. I don't know if you can see that. And then I am going to put inside these instructions that I prepared, and I went to Staples. Please excuse my nails because I'm in the process of taking them off. And don't judge me. And I put the instructions, Aftercare instructions. So this goes in here, right? And then we're gonna put, of course, alcohol swabs. I bought a whole package from Amazon, so don't forget. And I put two in there along with my instructions. I bought the double-sided self-adhesive tabs, which they use. This I use pretty much if I want to just wear them for a day or a couple of hours, because I can pop them off. But you're going to include glue. This is optional for them. If they want to keep it for a couple of days, they put the glue on, it sticks. I'm not sure, depending on how they fall off, they might be reusable again, but most likely not. It depends how they take them off and what's on them. So they might not want to use this if they want to keep their press-on nails longer. So you have that, and then you have file. It's a miniature file, And this is just in case your nails are a little bit too thick or long or something. You might just want to your liking, so you use your file. So pretty much this is it, you know. So you got your nail glue, you got your file, you got your double-sided adhesive tabs, right? And then you have your, for sanitary, alcohol pads, and then you have your instructions. And then you have your packet, right? So all of this is your care packet. So this is what your client will be receiving along with the press on nails. So all of this is bought except for, I'm sorry, the instructions, which I bought. I went to, I printed them out myself, and I went to Staples and they created all of them for me, and they put my name on top. So they duplicated it. So other than Staples, everything else is Amazon. Your padded envelopes, your beautiful nails that you put inside your padded envelopes, right? And your care packet, right, that we just created. And unless I don't have to weigh anything, but my label is created, but if you have to weigh and then print your label, this is your scale, Accutech from Amazon. And then we just, voila, tape, because it comes already with the, you just pull on this, and then you, I don't want to mess up this envelope, and then that's it. You put on the label that you print out, and this is ready to go. So I hope this was informative. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also because it helps me out a lot, and also subscribe to this channel so that I can be able to provide you more informative videos, tutorials, and we can become the queen of press on nails. So again, if you like this video, please press that like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Till the next time, bye-bye.